the quiet dawn, thoughts begin to stir. A whisper calls, hey, this chance is pure. Dreams you've chased now at your door. Don't snooze on fate. Rise and explore.
Once in a lifetime opportunity.
Once in a lifetime opportunity. Grab it tight, set your spirit free. Laugh at fears that try to change. This is your shot. Break the mundane.
Oh, breathe deep. Let worries fade away. Oh, breathe deep. Let worries fade away.
In life's wild ride, find your highway. Recall that flop, tripped on your own lace. Face plan failed, but you rose with grace. Blunders build the best of tales. Turn oops to wins. Hoist your sails.
Once in a lifetime opportunity.
Once in a lifetime opportunity. Dance with chaos, wild and carefree. Humor in the mess, strengthen the soul. Forge your path, make it bold.
Oh, pause and ponder, feel the spark ignite. In every stumble, there's hidden light.
Stars align in unexpected ways. A quirky twist in the everyday haze. Trust the guide, leap without a net. Regrets are for those who forget.
Once in a lifetime opportunity.
Embrace the unknown with glee and key, to weather the stormy seas. Rise above on inspiration's breeze.
Oh, meditate on moments big and small. Find the funny, answer the call.
Years may pass, but this one's now a cosmic joke. Take a bow, seize the silly, the profound delight in opportunities, fleeting flight.
Once in a lifetime opportunity.
once in a lifetime opportunity.
Opportunity.
Explode with joy, no more scrutiny. Chuckling through challenges, heart on fire. This is your empire, climb higher. Motivation's light.